बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। हेलो, हाय, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very classy sewing crochet centerpieces decoration ideas for your home decor. These are super incredible, very pretty and very stunning ideas for you guys. So keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are super incredible, super unique and very latest crochet sewing tables centerpieces decoration ideas for your home decor. These are easy to make. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of ideas at your homes, and you also watch different tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of crochet sewing ideas at home. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. These are very beautiful, amazing and very unique ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, guys.